Hi, Dawn Lewis here, and it's day 5 of this video series, and I'm going to show you how I do a neat and tidy ransom style bookmark using the beautiful Bork stamp set, as well as Compliments Volume 2, both by Inkroad Stamps, both available at dawnlewis.com.au in Australia. In fact, it's the only place you can get Inkroad in Australia. Right, today it's quite a simple project, and I'm going to use my Tim Holtz travel stamp platform. Really getting used to this travel stamp platform now, and I'm really enjoying the versatility of it. So the first thing that I've done is taken a piece of blue cardstock. This is serious stash diving going on here. It's about 6 inches tall, a bit over 2 inches wide, and I'm going to use the puppy with the big ears just because I think they'll make a great impact at the top of the bookmark. I'm stamping with Ranger Archival Jet Black ink. I love this ink, it's nice and dark. However, I am stamping onto textured cardstock, and I haven't yet put some fun foam underneath my stamping platform so that it's got a bit of squish. So you can see I'm really giving it some CPR right there, and I've got a nice dark black inked up background. I was going to start this one way, went another way, but you'll see. I'm fussy cutting with a little gap like you would die cut just around the top of the ears, and we're going to have a shaped top to the bookmark, which is kind of fun. The stamp set that I'm using today says, "You make me happier than Taco Tuesday," because I don't know about you, but every dog I've ever met has been extremely interested in what I was eating. So what I'm doing is I'm only inking up one letter at a time. I'm cleaning up any leftover ink. And on this variety of swatches from Basil, this is from a really old swap that I did many years ago, I'm inking up a single word. I'm just masking around the stamp to make it easier. And I'm going to stamp one word on each different colour of cardstock. They're all kind of in the same greyish blue family. And you can see I'm just using old Post-it notes. It's a great way to really get as much use out of your stuff on your desk as possible. And so every single word is being stamped on a separate piece of coloured card. Now, for a ransom note, you pull words out of magazines and they're all mismatched, and it's supposed to throw people off your scent because they don't know where the magazines came from or what your handwriting looks like. But this is kind of a neat and tidy version of it. I'm sorry, everything I do is neat and tidy. I have a real trouble making a mess on my creative stuff. I like to colour inside the lines. It's just who I am. But I've stamped each letter, and then I'm going to use my Tim Holtz guillotine, my little tiny trimmer, and I'm just going to cut each of these words out. Now, you could do this with any cardstock that you have. You could stamp the whole thing and cut it up. If I were making a lot of bookmarks, I just would have stamped the entire greeting, then cut down each of the words, and then I would have had a bookmark for every single colour. That would have been a good way to batch do them. I've just staggered the words across, and I'm going to use some 3mm double-sided tape. Now, you could use a glue stick, you could run them through your little Xyron sticker maker. For bookmarks, I like to keep them flat, because I don't want to damage my book. As much as I love my card making, I love my books. I decided it needed a little oomph around the edges, so I've taken a little chipped sapphire distress ink, and I'm blending that all around the edges, including over the tops of the ears. Now, you could leave your bookmark like this, but I did colour this little puppy in the day 1 video, and I and I do I add this puppy to this bookmark? Do I take it off the bookmark? You could do it either way. I think they both look fantastic. In the end, I did stick the puppy down, but you could definitely leave it as it is. This is a super quick stash diving project where you can use up all those leftovers and scraps. Remember, if you are looking for Bork or Compliments Volume 2 in Australia, you can find them at dawnlewis.com.au. I also have a pre-order service, so if you are on the website, dawnlewis.com.au, just click on the pre-order tab, fill in the form, and let me know what you would like ordered in and reserved for you. Thank you so much for joining me. I hope you've enjoyed this video. I do hope you have a very crafty day, and I will see you tomorrow for day 6. Bye for now.